mistake. Actually, what had happened was that one of my classmates, when first time he came to Radha Gopinath temple to see me, check me out actually, not just see me, but check me out. And he was very much curious that so many years and where have you been? Pura class dhoond raha hai and like that. And I was trying to explain to him, but finally on phone I was not able to explain to him what happened past 20 years. Aja, dekh le, aankhon dekha hal dekh le, samajh mein aa jayega. So he comes, and when he sees me like this, because his CD was paused like 20 years ago, and then whatever he had heard of me as an Air Force officer and etc. etc. So after that, seeing me like this, he looked at me. शक्ल वही है लेकिन अगल बगल में सब बदल गया है शक्ल की. And his first response was, ये तू MTV से आज तक कब हो गया? So I asked him the question, तू Discovery Channel कब हो गया? So then I took him for a program, and we were going, and Mumbai local train, and in the Mumbai local train, he was not willing to ask me any other questions except this one question, that tell me frankly, what exactly, why did you do that? And then how sometimes things, they appear and happen so timely. So he was asking me all these questions. क्या रुबाब था यार तेरा, मैं तेरी फोटोएं देखता था, वो एयरफोर्स की यूनिफॉर्म में क्या तेरी जुल्फें हुआ करती थी, जब कॉलेज में भी तू था क्या तेरी जुल्फें हुआ करती थी, तेरी जुल्फों को देखकर क्या रुबाब, क्या जुल्फें, क्या अदाएं, all of that, all those, these words. So all those words he was using. अब देख, क्या ये, क्यों ये सब, like that. And exactly at that time when I was about to answer, one beggar came, with the harmonium and the katora attached to the harmonium. One beggar came, and if you have experienced these beggars, they sing the most philosophical songs to inspire someone to realize the potency of being selfless and giving them something. So they won't sing more romantic songs, they will sing more philosophical songs. So as I was about to answer this question, he came, and he put his harmonium right in front of his face, and he was playing the harmonium and singing, and sometimes they have naturally amplified voice, these beggars. So he was looking at him only, because he realized इससे तो कुछ मिलने वाला है नहीं. So he was directly looking at him, and he started to sing. मौत ने जमाने को ये समा दिखा डाला, कैसे कैसे रुस्तम को खाक में मिला डाला. याद रख सिकंदर के हौसले तो आली थे, जब गया था दुनिया से दोनों हाथ खाली थे. कल जो तन के चलते थे अपनी शानो शौकत पर, शम्मा भी नहीं जलती आज उनकी कुर्बत पर. आज जवानी पर इतराने वाले कल पछताएगा, चढ़ता सूरज धीरे धीरे ढलता है ढल जाएगा. So now after that, I looked at him, he looked at me. I said, do I have to say anything? I really pulled out some good amount of money and gave it to that beggar. Thank you.